18 months ago, INEOS moved into the oil and gas sector with its purchase of Geir UK. INEOS Breagh was born.
The UK for us, I think, was a natural starting place, partly because we are a British company and we have our heritage here. So we know the political climate well, we know how to operate in the UK. The attraction with Breagh was that it brought not just the assets and the production and the hydrocarbons, if you like, but an entire organisation that gave us a step up in capability of both running and operating what we had acquired, but also looking at further acquisitions into the North Sea. So Breagh has been a fantastic journey.
After completing the deal in late 2015, the oil and gas prices dropped sharply. But this now being an INEOS company, that was just another challenge to overcome.
It made everybody focus and saying, okay, we need to make our own destiny here, as is common in INEOS. And therefore, it provided an impetus for the organisation to say, what are we spending money on? What are the things we really want to do? What are the things we don't actually have to do, or at least not now? That process has gone very well. The organisation has responded superbly, and we're now in a place where we're executing 2 new wells on the Breagh platform, and we're in the process of executing quite a big project for Clipper South to route it from its existing gas reception terminal to a new one, and that extends its life.
It's been a tough market to crack, but some innovative deal making has kept things buoyant, which in turn has benefited INEOS with the recent acquisition of the Forties pipeline system. This 235-mile pipe links 85 North Sea oil and gas assets to the UK mainland and delivers almost 40% of the UK's North Sea oil and gas.
It connects the North Sea to Kinneil, which is a processing station right next to our site here in Grangemouth, where it gets processed and separated into the oil and the gas components and then sold on.
You're working with hydrocarbons is classic INEOS. So we've got the skill set to deal with the molecules. It's just applying the simplicity of the INEOS model. All the gas out of, or the majority of the gas out of Kinneil is sold to INEOS anyway, so there's a whole lot of synergies round about Grangemouth. But the other area is, if we can make INEOS a positive light, or FPS a positive light in the North Sea, so it's actually almost like a beacon with long tentacles goes into the industry, and people start to see, well, INEOS is somebody we can do business with.
In addition to both of these upstream businesses, INEOS is in the process of buying Dong Energy's oil and gas business, another massive deal that takes INEOS further into this arena.
The Dong acquisition is a major step up. We're adding 440 new employees with expertise in basins that we haven't operated in before. So we get West of Shetland in the UK, which is a young basin. We get Denmark, where we got some great project opportunities to develop, and we get a share in one of the really major gas producers in Norway, Norman Lange, and we'll grow our business around that. And this transaction opens up new targets, both organically with projects and acreage and opportunities inside the portfolio, as well as adjacent acquisition opportunities. So, watch this space. We'll continue to look at growing further as well.
It's looking very good. I mean, the site's investing. We've got our cracker now up to full rate. Now with the FPS business, it's looking up. There's more investment coming.
We're, as an organisation, we're very focused on growth. We can see lots of opportunities in this portfolio. We've obviously got things to learn, but I think it offers some exciting opportunities.